Can commercial heat pumps be used for domestic hot water? Domestic hot water is frequently considered as hot water used solely for domestic properties and/or dwellings. This is not the case, and its term refers to water used for domestic purposes such as showers, sinks, bathing, and general ablutions. So domestic hot water heating means the hot water used in both domestic and commercial premises. In short, the answer is yes. Heat pumps can be used for DHW production, whether they be air source heat pumps, commercial heat pumps, or ground source heat pumps, because they can produce heat which can be transferred into the water in a similar fashion as a system boiler would with an indirect cylinder. Considerations. Temperature. Heat pumps will require a cylinder to transfer and store heat. Due to the required storage, we would need to consider temperature management because of the bacteria within the water. Legionella, ACOP L8, as well as building regulations require stored water to be kept at 60 C, which is a temperature that can reduce Legionella proliferation. Heat pump performance. The most common heat pumps currently on the market can produce hot water up to 63 C. There are elevated temperature heat pumps available that can generate water temperatures at above 70 C, but these are not as common just yet. Hot water. The Legionella bacteria would be killed off at 55 C. It just takes longer, so we could say that heat pumps producing 55 C water are perfectly safe doing so. There are also other measures we can take into consideration with the system design to further reduce any sort of risk for Legionella bacterial growth. Oversizing. Such measures are to avoid oversizing on the storage and to make sure the volume of water held within the system is used at least once or twice per day. For heat pumps with a maximum limit of 55 C, we could look at including immersions within the cylinder. These immersions could be programmed to come on daily during quiet periods and heat the water up to 60 C or above, thus killing of the bacteria. This process would be classed as a pasteurization cycle. These measures mentioned are not unfamiliar to the HVAC sector. They are requirements when designing any domestic hot water system, whether that be gas-fired or electric, so the transition from one to the other could only require a minor adjustment. So, in conclusion, heat pumps are more than capable of supplying domestic hot water. System designers must be considerate of the design considerations and performance requirements mentioned above to ensure that the optimum system is deployed. Scan the QR code to request a call back or email our sales team to learn more today.